girl Jay Santee, and today I am doing an unboxing on my brand new DSLR camera. So I went online and I bought the Canon EOS Rebel SL2 DSLR camera. And I bought it on Amazon, and I also picked up this remote control for the camera and also a shotgun mic. So the reason why I went with the DSLR Canon SL2 camera is because I wanted to upgrade my channel here, and I did my research and I wanted something that was kind of smaller and compact and was easier to travel with. And so I was comparing between like mirrorless cameras, and then I stumbled upon the Canon SL2. And I saw that, this is not a mirrorless camera, and I can, do another video on the difference between like a mirrorless camera and not like a regular camera. But I wanted something that was a little smaller and easier to carry. And so, but I also wanted to have access to the different lenses that Canon has to offer. Canon has like a huge selection of lenses out there, and the lenses definitely do make a difference. And so after comparing and contrasting the mirrorless cameras to the, a mirrorless camera, like let's say like an M50 or in the SL2, I decided to go with the SL2. So let me open up this box, and inside the box it comes with this instruction manual, and it has like register your EOS camera now and some other instruction stuff. I don't know what that is. And I open it up, and here. Okay, so this is the body of the camera. And I actually purchased the kit lens, which comes with the 18 to 55 milliliter lens. So when you open it up, this is the body of the camera. And then, as you can see, it's really small and compact, and I really wanted something that was like gonna easily fit in my hand and something that I could travel with, because I don't know if you guys know, but some DSLR cameras are pretty big and bulky, and I didn't really want something that was so big and bulky. I wanted something that was a little more compact. And so that's why I chose the SL2. And then what's also cool about the SL2 is that it has a fully articulated screen, LCD screen. And so when I'm filming, I can actually look at myself as I'm filming, which is perfect. It's also perfect for vlogging and things like that. And so it has a traditional viewfinder right here, but then it also has the screen. And I really wanted something that had the screen so I could see myself. Because right now I'm filming on my iPhone 8 Plus, but I can't see myself as I'm filming, and I really wanted something where I could see myself and make sure my shots are right, things like that. So that's why I decided to go with this. And the SL2 is actually really cost effective also, because it is a smaller camera. It's kind of like a starter camera. And I wanted something that wasn't gonna like break the bank. I'm all about doing things like good on a budget, and so I wanted something that was affordable and something that matched everything that I needed. So also in the box is the battery for the camera, and this is the lens. So as I mentioned before, it's an 18 to 55 milliliter kit lens, and the kit lens is just basically your standard lens that comes inside of your camera package. And it looks like this. And you see it has the caps on it to make sure you're protecting the lens. So there's that. And then it also has the battery charger inside and a strap to put on your camera. So as I mentioned, I also picked up a shotgun microphone, so that way, because most of my videos are going to be like kind of this talking head style, and I wanted to make sure that I had really good audio for it, because I did hear that the audio is not so great on the SL2, so I wanted to make sure I got a microphone that would help with the audio. So that's why I picked up this. And what's cool about the SL2 is that it also has Wi-Fi on it. It has Bluetooth. I can upload pictures to Instagram and Facebook straight from my camera. So I think that that's pretty cool to do. And I'm really excited and looking forward to making more content using this camera. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And please make sure to also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at VJ Santy. See you next time.